Hey y'all, it's T Marie. Thank you for tuning in for this video. This is part 2 of my wig series, and don't forget to subscribe. So I did put the cap on my head and I marked 3 sections where my ears are and where the frontal stops. I also marked these same 3 sections on my frontal, there and there, as well as in the back where the frontal meets. I'm going to line up those 6 markings directly together on the dome cap, and I'm going to place my wig pins where those sections are just to hold it down in place. And this is how it should look when it's all lined up, nice and flat. And you don't have to worry about the front part. It's going to be kind of all over the place, which is fine because we want it to fit on our head. So I did go ahead and use my wig pins just to lay the lace down so it's out of the way, and I just wanted to show you guys the hairline because it's so cute. So I did sew down the back of the frontal off camera just so you guys can see how it lays super flat. Now when you're doing these tracks, you're going to want to put it in like a smile type of shape. Once you reach a certain point, which I will show you shortly, you're going to want to do a back and forth just like that motion until you get up to the top. You do not want your wig to be lumpy. You want all the tracks to lay super flat. I am doing these tracks pretty close together. I do want my wig to be full and really thick. Once you make it to the top, you want that last track to be as close as humanly possible to your frontal. You don't want to have any gaps in that area. And my wig is complete, and don't forget to stay tuned for part 3 of this wig series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.